Even while on vacation, we never skip these 4 Walmart tasks. And of course, you never want to get terminated on Walmart or even suspended. And that's why these tasks are so important to us. And that's what we're going to be focusing on is daily checklists to make sure that you don't get suspended, you don't get terminated, so you can keep selling. Because if you don't sell, you're out of business. The first one is we have our team sending screenshots and monitoring holidays, vacations, every day, making sure that there's no errors or unpublished listings. When you have too many errors or too many unpublished listings, your account gets deactivated on Walmart. Yes, it's automated, it's by a robot, so really tackle those as quickly as humanly possible, and you need to fix them ASAP. So they start the case, they notify us, right? Here's a reference, right? And this is actually, I kind of hid some of the details, but pretty much they send a huge email to everybody. Items are unpublished. We need to get this fixed ASAP. We already opened up the case. Here's a screenshot, right? And this is directly from our team, right? So we're just monitoring it every single day. And that's a lot of the battle. And they can even start texting you, hey, unpublished, right? So we're on top of it. We're already opening up the case, getting it fixed. Screenshot of performance metrics. Again, same thing. If there's any performance metrics that are down, they could cause suspension. So checking your performance metrics on a regular basis, because right when you're pretty much, it's a lot of the times it's on-time delivery rate gets too low, it's AI, you're automatically suspended. So tackling those, figuring those out, and being on top of it right from the get is what's going to make sure you don't get suspended, especially on a holiday or vacation or on a nice Saturday. That's the time when these types of suspensions happen. It's a part of life, right? So when you're on top of this, you need to also make sure that your listings are completely optimized. If they're not optimized, you're going to get suspended. So you can get a free listing audit from us and then scroll down and fill this out. If your listings aren't optimized, right, you could get shut down if you have specific keywords or brand names or the wrong manufacturer name. We do free listing audits to help increase sales, but also make sure that you're abiding by Walmart's policies. And Walmart's policies have been so strict lately. We'll look at your top competitors. We even have a tool to show you how much money your top competitors are making. We can see your first image, compare the second images. If you're running A+ content, we can tell you if your top competitors are running Walmart ads. So this is a great tool. You can check it in the description if you want to check that out. Now for the last two, we've got a screenshot of the payments tab. We've seen this happen time and time again where sellers get their payments suspended. So their account's not suspended, they're still selling, but their payments get suspended, which is pretty bad. It's not as bad as a full account suspension, but it means they can't get paid. So you need to come up with a really good plan of action, showcase that you are a good seller, and then they get, a lot of the times you get your whole account, like your suspended payments reinstated within 3 to 5 days if you have a good plan of action, right? So you just want to stay on top of this. There is no actual way to submit a plan of action for this, but if you can contact the payments team directly and showcase them that you're a good seller, and they will reinstate your payments a lot faster. We've done it. We've got videos on it. It's not super difficult to do this, but you need to be on top of it, right? Last but not least is customer service metrics. So you need to stay on top of customer service, because sometimes customers will reach out to you and they'll say, I think this is a knockoff. I know, I looked it up. It says it's real, but is it a knockoff, right? And if you don't respond, sometimes the customer gets worried and then they contact Walmart directly, and then Walmart suspends your account. Even if you're selling real items, it could take one customer complaint that you haven't replied to, or they get super upset. They start leaving negative reviews, right? A lot of the times these customers will reach out to you first, and if you don't respond in time or in a timely manner, then they're going to escalate it to Walmart. Sometimes they even email Walmart. They go in person and talk to the manager. This has happened to one of our leads came to us and we're like, how did you get suspended? And it was from a message where they forgot to respond to, right? So customers have a lot of power. You can see is this an actual, and it has the item, or a knockoff? And then the response, right? So being on top of this does help, which is customer service metrics. So staying on top of these 4 things, again, going over them, screenshots of errors in unpublished listings, performance metrics, screenshots of the payments tab, and then customer service messages. Those are the top 4 you should be monitoring even on holidays, vacations, and putting money in to make sure people are monitoring them. Because the last thing you want to do is get suspended randomly because of a stupid little thing that you forgot to do, right? You don't want that to happen. And a lot of this is AI. So Walmart's using AI, and sometimes they ramp it up, and you just need to be on top of it. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. We're experts at Walmart. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, we do Walmart account management. We'll do these daily checklists for you. We'll make sure we're sending you screenshots, notifying you if anything's happening, and we're going to be your first line of defense to make sure we're already opening up the cases, being proactive, making sure our account doesn't get suspended in the first place. We're doing it all. Not only that, we run ads, also Walmart support. We'll be calling Walmart, emailing Walmart, doing your designs and all that good stuff to increase your sales. But I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.